also wondering what is copywriting? Is it different from content writing? Which is a better profile? Content writing or a copywriting? How to become an expert in 2023? Wait, let me answer all these burning questions in this video. Number one, what is copywriting? It is an art and science to produce an engaging content which encourages the reader to hook to the content till the end and influence them to take an action related to sales. Copywriting and content writing are not two different skills. If you want to market any product or service of a business, you need content marketing, which is the combination of copywriting and content writing. Let me quote it for you. Content is nothing without a copy, and copywriting is nothing without a content. So basically, content writer will bring the information from the internet and place it in a well-structured format, like a blog, email, or in a social media. Whereas copywriter will make that specific content more persuasive, sales oriented, and this combination profile is more demanding nowadays to the business. If you also want to know the 3 steps to become a successful copywriter, then you need to read the caption.